Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Dying Light PC. First, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your personal computer using a micro USB cable. It's crucial that this cable supports data transfer, not just charging, to ensure proper communication. Once connected, your computer should automatically detect the controller as a generic gamepad, preparing it for the next steps. Next, you'll want to download and install DS4 Windows. This fantastic, free, and open-source program is essential because it emulates an Xbox 360 controller, which Dying Light natively supports without any issues. After installation, take a few moments to configure your controller settings within DS4 Windows to personalize your gaming experience and ensure everything feels just right. For wireless freedom, you can connect your PlayStation 4 controller via Bluetooth, provided your personal computer has a compatible adapter. To initiate pairing, simultaneously hold down the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Then, simply navigate to your PC's Bluetooth settings and select the controller to complete the pairing process. Finally, launch Dying Light and head straight into the game's options menu. Look for the Controls or Gamepad section. Here, you'll confirm that the game recognizes your controller, which it should, thanks to DS4 Windows. You can also fine-tune any button mappings or sensitivity settings to perfectly suit your playstyle, ensuring a smooth and immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.